Welcome, my dear friends. Today I would like to explain the concept of dispersive power of a plane diffraction grating. Before entering to the topic, if you are watching my channel, this is the first time, please subscribe my channel. Now I am going to be explaining the diffraction grating. Okay, what is plane diffraction grating? Okay, for example, if you take a system, okay, the system which is having equal number of slits, a system consists of equal number of slits, and number of slits with equal distance, that is called as a diffraction grating. The width of the slit we are calling as A. The width of the slit we are calling as A. And the separation between the two successive slits, we are taking that one as a B. In some textbooks, they have taken as the width of the slit is E, and also opaque barrier, that is they have taken as a D. No problem. Okay, a system consists of a large number of equidistant slits separated by the opaque barrier is called as a diffraction grating. Now, what is dispersive power? Okay, what is dispersion? For example, if you take a white light, if you are passing that one to the any prism, so after that it will refract and it will split into 7 colors. That means the widths here we are observing. Is it or not? Yeah, the dispersion. Okay, that means suppose if you observe here, this is one color, this is another color, this is another color. These are making some angle with the normal. Is it or not? And as we know that each and every color has a different wavelength. That is called as dispersion. Now what is dispersive power? So what is dispersive power is the rate of change of, okay, the rate of change of angle that with change of wavelength. Okay, so how much of wavelength is changed, that is depends upon the angle or vice versa. Okay, the rate of change of angle with respect to change in wavelength is called as a dispersive power. Now we are going to be deriving the formula for dispersive power, that is d theta by d lambda. Okay, for deriving that one, we need one trigonometric formula and also one differentiation formula. So what is that? D by d theta equals to d by d theta equals to d by d theta of cos theta equals to sin theta minus. Okay, so here we are going to be use that d by d theta of sin theta equals to cos theta. This is the formula we are going to be use here. And one more is from the trigonometry, cos theta equals to root of 1 minus sin square theta. These two formulas we are going to be use. Okay, shall we derive the formula for the plane diffraction grating or dispersive of plane diffraction grating? Yes, we can. So regarding that one, we have to take from the diffraction grating experiment. What we know is, okay, so the maximum condition for plane diffraction grating is a plus b into sin theta equals to n into lambda. Here a is the slit width, b is the opaque width, and a plus b, 1 by a plus b is also called as a grating element. That means capital N is the order, and lambda is the wavelength of the source of the light we are using. Now, dispersive power, that means to find out that one dispersive power, we have to once differentiate this equation with respect to the wavelength. That means differentiate above equation with respect to lambda. With respect to lambda, if we differentiate that one, a plus b, these are the constant values. So that's why nothing will change and a plus b is a plus b. And with respect to the lambda, we are differentiating. That means d by d theta of sine theta, which is equals to the cos theta. Yes. So cos theta equals to cos theta into d theta. Cos theta into d theta equals to n into lambda if we are doing the differentiation. So d lambda. So what is our formula? D theta by d lambda is called as a d theta by d lambda is called as a dispersive power. That's why you have to bring the d lambda this side and remaining terms you have to write it another side. So n by a plus b into cos theta. This one you have to say equation number 1. Now our aim is we have to derive this formula in terms of the slit width and also the opaque distance. Okay, regarding that one, I am taking the equation this one. Okay, this one also we can call it as a equation number something a. Okay, a capital A you can say. So from above equation, A, okay, sin theta equals to what we have to write is n lambda by a plus b. So that means instead of cos theta, can we write like that? Yeah, that means this equation we have to say equation 2, and from equations 1 and 2, what we can write is d theta by d lambda equals to n by a plus b is same as it is a plus b multiplied by cos theta means, okay, 1 minus sin square theta means, okay, sin square theta means n lambda by a plus b whole square. Okay, n lambda by a plus b whole square, whole power, it is root only. That's why I have to write the 1 by 2. Now we are going to be simplify. I am erasing this one. Okay, suppose if we are simplifying this one, what we will get? So what we will get is the d theta by d lambda equals to, that means the dispersive power of the plane diffraction grating equals to n divided by this is a plus b. I am writing as it is. Okay, and here if I take the common as a, that means if I doing the LCM, what we will get is, okay, a plus b whole square minus n lambda by a plus b whole square whole power of. Suppose if this a plus b whole square whole power of came outside, will it become say a plus b or not? Yeah, that implies d theta by d lambda equals to n by a plus b into a plus b whole square minus n lambda. A plus b whole square minus n lambda. Okay, that means, and also this one we are taking outside, that's way, that is becomes a plus b. Suppose if a plus b cancel, and also there 1 by 2 is also there. Okay, that implies d theta by d lambda equals to, okay, n by a plus b whole square by, suppose here I am taking as a n is a common. Okay, if I am taking a n as a common, automatically it will becomes n lambda. So it is n lambda whole square only. N lambda whole square. That means I am taking as a n square as a common from whole power 2. So n cancel. Therefore d theta by d lambda equals to 1 by a plus b whole square by n square or minus. Okay, this is the our formula for determine the dispersive power of the plane diffraction grating. Okay, so if you are sorry, n lambda whole square this is. Okay, so this is the concept. Okay, if you like this, please share this one, and for more updates click the bell icon. Thank you.